What have you named this little guy?
Henry.
What made you choose this name?
He is very small.
Okay. And what is the best thing you like about Henry?
His fatness.
His fatness. Why do you always choose these brown color rat looking rabbits?
Their
Can you tell us on YouTube?
innocent eyes.
But it's very important. People should always choose these colors. That otherwise, did you know in the animal kingdom of, in fact, Ashimasi only told me that black dogs, black animals, they get discriminated. So Ayush always picks either brown or black or this rat color. Little. What color is this brown? What is this? No, this is what color, Ayush? Gray. Ashimasi, Ayush knows the colors like teal and burgundy and what colors in my life I can't ever. What are the colors you know, Ayush?
Too many to know.
Imperial red.
Too many to know.
So is this a imperial blue rabbit? What color is teal? I till date I can't figure out what is teal. Is it a teal color rabbit?
Stop.
What is teal? I use green. What is what is teal? I don't know teal color. Brown.
Mom, my mom's
Favorite color is teal.
no. So her skin is teal.
चुप रहे. You